Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you the Maniology Mani X Me box from August. So this is the subscription box from August. So it was only available in the month of August. If it has passed, unfortunately you can no longer get it. But still August, snatch it up if you want to get it. Next month, I'm going to try to get the video out a little bit early. They do have a sneak peek on their website of what September's box is, and it looks so cute. It's kind of like a retro, ghosty Halloween vibe. I'm very excited about it. I will make a video when I get that box in. But I've had this box sitting. I haven't had time to open it. So I want to go ahead and unbox it with you guys. And then you can see my nails are bare right now. So I have them filled and ready to go. So let's find out what's in this box and what's gonna go on my nails. What will you create? Let's see what we will create. So this box's theme is water marbling. Yes, water marbling, which if you guys have been around nail trends for a long time, you will know that water marbling used to be a huge nail art trend, and I absolutely hated it. I was not good at it. It was very difficult to me, but Maniology has made it easier with a stamping version of water marbling. If you guys don't know what water marbling is, basically you get a cup full of room temperature water and you get a few different colors of regular polishes, and you start dropping the colors one by one into the cup. So it creates these rings of colors. Then you take a dotting tool or a cuticle tool and you swirl it around. You dip your nail into the water and it creates a water marbled effect. Again, very difficult. It was very tedious. I did not like it. I do believe I have a video or two up of me doing water marbling. If I can find it, I will leave a link to you guys. Again, older video, older trend, but we are bringing it back in nail stamping for this box. So this first one, I think this is a brush cleaner. Let's see. Make a splash with your bonus gift of the month, a multi-purpose silicone nail brush cup. This innovative tool accommodates various nail brush tools and is totally collapsible for easy storage. Creativity can get messy. This cup is washable and acetone resistant for effortless cleanup. So this guy pops out. So it has different like scrubbies on the bottom. I think if you're changing colors with your art brushes. And then you can store them in here face up, and it keeps them all out of the way, not hitting each other. And then if you need to, you could put acetone in the bottom of this cup, switch your colors out that way. So that's fun. Here is our sticker. I think I've gotten this one before or something similar to it. Or it's like a monarch butterfly with the Maniology polish in it. So here is what we got. We got 2 stamping plates and then 2 polishes, I think. Yes, so these are stamping polishes. So we have Drip and Melt. So Drip is a mint green. Melt is a corally pink. And then here are the exclusive stamping plates. So the subscription box always comes with 2 exclusive stamping plates. You can only get these in the subscription box. That's why if you see something that you like, you have to get the box to get it because you can't buy them separately. So this first one is M134. We have the marbling in French tip forms. So there are 4 different marbled effects and then the widths, 3 widths for each of them. And then we have these just full paneled ones of marbling. So what's cool is you can kind of pick up different areas of the marble and put them on different nails too. And then here is the second plate, M133. This one just has all full images of water marbling. So we are gonna do some water marble nails. So I do think I wanna do a fall version, do some fall type of colors. So I don't think I'm gonna use the stamping polishes that came in the kit, but we will for sure use the stamping plates. So let's get into the tutorial and see what I come up with. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. The first color we're going to start out with is Madam Glam's Monday Blues. This is like a blue, purple, indigo type of a shade. We're going to paint this on all of the fingers except the middle finger. Then we're going to go in with Madam Glam's Pivot. This is one of my favorite nude polishes. This is going to go on the middle finger. Then we're going to go ahead and do a second coat of Monday Blues on the pinky and the pointer finger. On the ring finger and the thumb, we're going to go in with Science Lab from Madam Glam. This is the holographic version of Monday Blues. It's super pretty. And then we'll do a second coat of Pivot on the middle finger. On the middle finger, we're actually going to paint the cuticle as well as the tip with Monday Blues. We're going to create this carved out center. So I'm going to go back and forth between the polish bottle as well as a detailer brush to kind of make that cut out in the nail. Now we're going to go in with some stamping. I'm going to go ahead and cleanse my nails that we're going to put stamping on. For stamping polish, we're going to use Bliss, which is a light purple, Heart of Gold, which is a metallic gold, and then Straight Up Black. Then we're going to use the 2 new water marble stamping plates. So for the pinky and the pointer finger, we're going to cover the full nail in marble. So I'm just using the long images of the water marbling. And then I'm also layering my colors. So I do the light purple, the gold, the black, and then the light purple again. And I kind of blend them just slightly together. Then for the middle finger, I do change up the water marble. I go to the other plate and I pick up one of the large images. We'll do the same thing. I do stripe the colors a little differently, but same concept with the 3 colors and then kind of swiping them together. Now we're going to clean up the nails. I'm going to take a brush dipped in acetone and I'm going to clean up all the extra polish around my skin as well as clean out that cutout on the middle finger. Now I'm going back in with Science Lab on my palette here, and I'm going to outline the cutout as well as add some glitter to the marbling as well. So I just take my detail brush and I just kind of trace some of the water marbling just to add a little bit of glitter to it. Now we're going to go in with some bling. I'll be using the Super Diamond Gel Glue from Jelly Nails. And then these crystals, I want to say these are amethyst crystals. So we're just going to outline the top of the cutout on the middle finger with our Super Diamond Gel Glue. And then starting in the middle, I take a larger stone and then working my way outwards, they slowly go smaller. So creating this line of gems. And now we're going to top coat. I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. Okay, so this is the set that I created using the new water marble plates. Again, these water marble plates are limited edition to the subscription box, so definitely get your hands on the subscription box if you can. Again, they have a sneak peek of September's box up on the website. I'm very excited to get that in. It is so cute. But I did use both these plates. Really with the water marble, you just pick and choose which marbles you want to do. And then I did pull in some extra polishes. This Bliss one I think was from a summer launch. And then we have Heart of Gold, which is part of their main collection, as well as Straight Up Black. And then I did use 2 of the new colors from Madame Glam. These were part of their back to school August collection. So I feel like these are a good intro into fall. And then I did take inspiration from their picture that they had this cutout. So I did the cutout on one of my fingers as well. And then in all their photos, it's all a solid color. I did marble together 3 different colors, which I think came out really cool. So the possibilities are really endless with any type of marbling, but especially now that we have the water marble in stamping form, it makes it so much easier, so much more customizable. The creations are endless. I kind of hope that they do come out and add these to their regular lineup, because I think this would be a really good staple plate as well. If you guys don't know, I am a Maniology brand ambassador. I do have a discount code with them. I'll put up on the screen as well as in the description box down below. It does not work on the subscription boxes. Those are already a good deal, but you can use my code to save you off of anything on the rest of the website. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my unboxings and if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.